Welcome back to another episode of Forest Tech Magazine. This is your host, Lewis, and today is February 20th, 2019. Hope everything's going well. Hopefully, you made some money so far this year. If you have not, stay tuned. Hopefully, we can help you with that with some tips and tidbits. But before we get into our tips and tidbits, let's get into our disclaimer. It goes a little something like this: any and all information shared with you by Forest Tech Magazine should be considered to be for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing to share with you about Forest Tech Magazine should be considered to be investment advice. If you are in need of investment advice, then our suggestion to you would be to seek out the assistance of a licensed, competent advisor. Now, let's go ahead and get right onto this. And let's see here. First of all, let's look at what we're trading in right now. We are in the Great Britain pound, Canadian dollar. And as you can see, this is where we entered into the trade at. And as you can see, this is where the price went to. And as you can see, this is where the price is at right now. So the price went through the resistance, and now it's coming back through resistance. And it looks like it's steadily getting ready to hit our stop loss. So here's our entry. This is our stop loss. What we did is create a risk-free trade. Essentially, when we first traded this particular pair, our stop loss was back here. And since we went profitable, we moved our stop loss up to here. Probably a better thing would have been to just lock it in right here and pass that resistance. But I wanted to play around with it a little bit, just kind of see what was going to happen. And as you can see, price did not adhere to this resistance. Didn't turn it into a support. It just decided to go back through it. So, at any rate, I'm tired. It's gonna be a short one today, guys. Price went through it. What we will do, though, however, is after price goes through this here, we're gonna wait for our re-entry. Re-entry is gonna look a little something like this. All right, once price crosses over this downward channel, the downward trend line, then that's gonna be our signal to re-enter this particular trade. And so if we'll look for that later on today, maybe the next 24, 42, whatever, 48, price will come back over. Once it does, we'll re-enter it. And we're looking at the fact that hopefully if price enters close enough to this resistance that it'll be strong enough that once it pushes through this resistance, that it'll keep pressing higher and we hit our take profit. We actually came pretty close to our take profit with this particular one. As you can see, we're right there at it. So the idea would be that after this right here, we should be able to get a pull back a little bit better. So it was under 60 pips away. It was like 56, 55 pips away from our take profit, which is, it is what it is. We're okay. We're going to make some good coin off of this right here. Looks like one of them already hit. So let's see the one that hit. The one that hit was a Great Britain pound, Aussie dollar. So we made 25, almost 2,600 off of that. The good thing is this was only open for a day. So we opened this up on yesterday on the 19th, closed it out today for $2,600. That's not bad, right? And once again, when we look at this, close this here. The takeaway from this right here is that, price went up, price come down. We're taking a winner and we're not allowing a winner to become a loser, right? Because we're taking some profit off of this no matter what happens to this trade. And then we understand that we're going to get back into this trade once momentum of buyers come back into this thing, it starts to push it back up again. So, and that's the idea, man, just to make money, right? As you can see, here goes the Aussie dollar, it came down. Let's put on our, fortunately, because it's come down and we don't have our, and it's already kill the trade, we can't get in here and we can't get in here now. Here. Oh, it's tired. Can't get in here and see the levels, but that's okay though. The main point is clear that price came through. Obviously, our stop loss was somewhere back up in here. Our entry was somewhere up in here, and so we got a nice little take profit of about 3,000 almost, which is what you want. Yeah. Oh, sorry, 2,500, 2,600. Which once again, this is what you want. This is good. And like I said, once price crosses back above that threshold, then we'll look to get back into it again. This one right here had a little bit higher, let's see here. Yeah, it had a little bit higher, take profit. So tired. So this one was quite a bit of ways away. We were about 136 pips away for this one. So, yeah, we'll get back to it just over time. It's no biggie. No biggie. No biggie at all. And hopefully you guys get what I'm saying here. And when I look at these, I'm showing you risk-free trades, and the whole idea behind the risk-free trades is just exactly what it sounds like, man. Making sure that no matter what happens in this trade, that you're going to be making some money on this. And what it does, it allows you to be able to use more leverage. In my opinion, but you just really got to make sure we got to make sure that what you're trading in is actually something that's breaking out and that's moving in the direction that you are predetermined. Because if it's moving in the opposite direction, that same leverage is helping you to increase the value of your account. Will also be the same leverage that will be used to help you reduce the value of your account. And that's the last thing you want, is to see your account get smaller. You actually want to see your account get bigger. Okay, not smaller, bigger, not smaller. All right. Let's look at a couple more before we get out of here. Let's say today's gonna be an early day. Great Britain pound is leading dollar. This one right here is trying to make its way up, but still hasn't crossed over into the buy zone. So this one here is going to be a hold. Even though you see higher highs and higher lows, it just hasn't crossed over where it should be yet for it to be a buy. It's making its way there, but it just hasn't gotten there quite yet. Ooh, Great Britain pound is the Japanese yen is already there. It is close to hitting that Fib D extension here. Ooh, you just don't see how close it was. Oh man, this thing came within like maybe probably 5 pips or so. Okay, actually came in within 12 pips. So it came in like 11.6. Wow, I was really close. So it's 55 pips away for right now. Not something I necessarily want to trade, but man, it's pretty good. Once again, if you want to trade this right here, you get in after price stops making this pullback and starts pushing it up. And then probably put your stop loss maybe at the swing low, which would be here. But it hasn't begun to push up yet, so I wouldn't trade that one just yet. Whoa. So here went over to the buy zone too as well. Wow, it's pretty cool. Okay, let's see here. The extension. So we'll wait for price to pull back and to cross over. So we'll wait for price to break through this here. Boom, with the price to cross over. Once price cross over, target would be here. So potentially 137 pips. Right now, potentially 160 pips risk. But then, of course, if we put it wherever the stop loss is at, put it wherever the swing price would be, swing low would be at, it'd be a lot less. So therefore, it might make it a lot more profitable trade. So there's just a couple trading ideas for you. Looks like we have a buy, we have a go in some of the trades. Some of the trades are still kind of sitting on the sidelines. Looks like momentum is picking back up in the Great Britain pound pairs, so be on the alert. All right, could be some good buying opportunities out there for you. You're just gonna have to take your time, look at them, dissect them, and see which one makes sense, and see which one offer you the best trading based off of your account value. This one here is still going. Let's look at this one again. There, but not quite yet. I think my line got moved up a little bit somehow, but I'm not sure. But anyway, guys, that's me for tonight. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking us out. I'm about to drop off because I am tired and need some rest. But anyway, if you got any questions, please feel free to hit us up at forestechmagazine@gmail.com. If not, I will see you in another 24. Take care. Bye.